What if a nation transformed overnight, shifting from isolation to innovation? Fact 1. The Meiji Restoration began in 1868, marking the end of over 2 centuries of feudalism and the Tokugawa shogunate's rule in Japan. Fact 2. Emperor Meiji's ascension to power symbolized the shift toward modernization, as he sought to strengthen Japan by adopting Western technologies and ideas. Fact 3. This period saw the abolition of the samurai class and the establishment of a centralized government, paving the way for rapid industrial growth.